And here we are again, and today we're just going to have a play about with this Euro spec Euro cylinder. I found this in a little local hardware store, so just picked it up just to play about with. They were advertised, and it is pick proof, drill proof. Well, don't believe everything you see. Let's slide this out of here. There we go. Let's just pop that there. Grab the keys. There we go. So that's the key. Well, it's got fairly okay bidding. As you can see, it obviously works as you'd expect. I can't see any drill proof or drill protection there. Whether or not there's any hardened pins in or not's another question. And it's only a 5-pinner. So let's start off with some little basics. See what we can do. Let's try raking it first. Being a 5-pinner. Oh, there you go. So obviously no security pins in that fella. Surprised it took that long, to be honest, but like I say, it does have fairly good bidding. Let's try. Let's see if it'll zip open. There we go. Oh, again, that was fairly simple. Let's have a go at SPP in it. There we go. Very simple, very easy. There we go. So I'd certainly be avoiding, what's it called again? Euro spec. So cheap rubbish, basically. 5-pin. Offers no security really, to be honest. I'd say just the basic attacks. Open this fellow up, and obviously you could snap that in a heartbeat. So load of junk. Thank you very much.